Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about cooling systems on your vehicle and how important it is to service your cooling system. By not replacing the coolant and the thermostat in your vehicle, you can end up with unexpected repairs that can cost hundreds to maybe thousands of dollars. So let's discuss a couple of these items. Cooling system is made up of a few items that are very important. Number one is thermostats, replacing those. The thermostat in your vehicle actually controls the temperature of the engine, which is extremely important when it comes to fuel consumption, how the motor runs, drivability, etc. Along with the coolant that runs through the system, there's different items. There's water pumps, electric water pumps sometimes. And then of course we have the hoses. Failed hose or failed thermostat can cause overheating of the cooling system. And not replacing the coolant in the system, as you can see with this radiator that we've cut open, can cause radiators to plug up and vehicles to overheat. Make sure that you get your vehicle in and have the cooling system serviced regularly. For extended life coolant, every 3 years or 50,000 miles. For regular green ethylene glycol coolant, 2 years, 24,000 miles. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.